The wind still feels just like it used to.
Guys, look at this. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a peaceful cinematic anime video set in the mountain hills using VidU AI. From generating a character, building natural environments, animating emotional scenes, and adding voice, everything will be done step by step in real time. No complex editing, no advanced skills, just simple prompts and powerful AI. If you've ever wanted to create calm, story-driven anime videos for YouTube or social media without spending hours editing, this is going to change everything. So let's build a complete anime story together and bring a mountain world to life. And you can also find the VidU link in the description so you can check it out yourself. So first, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a full cinematic anime workflow. This is the exact prompt I'll use. Create a short cinematic anime story set in peaceful mountain hills. Include a main character description, character image prompt, 3 scene image prompts, 3 animation prompts, and emotional dialogue. The vibe should be calm, nature-focused, slightly emotional, with soft lighting, wind, and atmospheric depth. Now ChatGPT has given me everything step by step. So first, I'll copy the character image prompt and go to VidU AI. Here, I'll select image and then text to image and paste my character prompt. This is the exact prompt I'm using. Then I'll choose the settings, image model, latest GPT image 2, resolution 4K aspect, ratio 16:9, and click create. Now within moments, VidU generates my character image. I'll click on it and add it to my ref hub. I'll name her Aiko, a quiet traveler who loves nature, and click save. Now my character is ready. Next, I want consistent visuals across all scenes, so I'll go to reference to image. Here, I'll select my ref hub and choose Aiko. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene image prompt, and paste it into VidU. I'll keep the same settings and click generate. And just like that, my first scene is ready with perfect character consistency. Now I'll repeat the same process for the next scenes. This is the second scene prompt. Anime girl sitting near a wooden cabin in the mountains. Evening sunset, orange sky, wind-moving grass, calm emotional atmosphere, cinematic lighting, detailed environment, 4K. And this is the third scene prompt. Night scene in mountains, starry sky, glowing fireflies, anime girl looking at the sky, soft blue lighting, dreamy mood, high detail, cinematic framing. And just like that, all my scene images are ready. Now I want to bring these scenes to life. So I'll go to reference to video. At this stage, I'll create multiple animation variations with different camera movements and natural motion to make everything feel alive and immersive. I'll select my first scene image and click reference to video. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt, and paste it into VidU. This is the animation prompt for scene 1. Slow cinematic camera push forward, wind gently moving hair and grass, soft sunlight rays, natural motion, calm emotional atmosphere. Then I'll select VidU Q3 model and duration 16 seconds and also some other settings. And click create. Within a few moments, VidU generates my animated scene. Now I'll repeat the process for the next scenes, and I'll also test both reference to video and image to video where needed to compare results and choose the best output. Scene 2, animation prompt. Slow side camera movement, wind blowing, character slightly moving, warm sunset lighting, peaceful cinematic feel. Scene 3, animation prompt. Gentle camera zoom, fireflies moving, soft night wind, subtle character motion, dreamy anime atmosphere. And just like that, all my animations are ready. And the great thing is that all the sound effects like wind, weather, night ambience, and others are already generated with the video. This is the power of the VidU Q3 model. Now I will simply download all the videos one by one so you can understand it better. Now I'll open my editing software, I'll import all my clips and arrange them in sequence. Now I'll go to 11 Labs to generate a voiceover. This is the dialogue I'll use. I'll choose a soft, emotional voice and generate it. Then I'll bring it into Premiere Pro, sync it with the scenes, and adjust timing so everything flows naturally. And just like that, everything comes together. Let's check the final result.
The wind still feels just like it used to, gentle and familiar. It's strange how this place makes time feel like it never really moved. I find myself coming back here every single year. Like a part of me believes the memories are still waiting in the air. When you left, something inside me quietly changed forever. But these hills, these skies, they stayed exactly the same. If somehow you can still hear my voice in the wind tonight, then you should know I never really left this place either.
And that's how you can create a peaceful cinematic anime video using VidU from start to finish. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.